Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music and Organist here at the church. On Sunday morning, July 25th, our opening hymn is going to be very special. It's a very singable hymn, one that you will end up going home singing, or maybe next Friday be pushing your basket at Publix and be singing this melody and going, we never heard that before. The name of the hymn is Let Us Talents and Tongues Employ. It's a basic, what they call a question and an answer type music, like this. Here's the question. Answer. And it does that twice for each verse with different words, of course. The refrain itself is based on 3 chords: C chord, F chord, G chord, ending. The whole song goes. My first year of college, I got to study with Paul Bepley. Paul Bepley was I can't say the word right, eurythmics, thank you, eurythmics instructor. And in my mind, eurythmics made me think of, oh, we're going to listen to music and then get up and dance around and fly around the room like ballet stars. Well, that's not what this professor does. In fact, this professor, Dr. Paul Bepley, actually studied with Johannes Brahms. He didn't just study his music, he studied with Johannes Brahms. And one of the first things he said to us as thriving and new church musicians is, take a look at your music. You all have the same music. I'm going to ask you, 3 of you, to come up and play it, and you'll play it exactly alike. That's no good. I want some of you to be creative. This particular hymn you could do a lot with. For instance, this is in the major scale. If you have a good piece of music, especially a hymn, it can be played in the minor mode and still hold its meaning, like this. Just take a little listen to the beginning. So on. When you hear this hymn and sing it on Sunday, think about the words, think about the simplicity of the music, and how you're going to remember this for a while. Thank you for listening.